Can you howl like a wolf? Ow! Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Yeah. Ow, ow, ow! What about the lion? Here we go. One more page back. L is for lion. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. 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 Yeah, good job. Roar. Roar. Yeah, there you go.